When people think about moving to Peachtree City, they usually think about the golf cart lifestyle.
But one of our favorite Saturday traditions is right behind us.
The Peachtree City Farmers Market.
And we're going to take you along with us.
We're going to check it out, see what's available, meet some of the vendors, sample some of the food, and probably spend a lot more money than we usually plan.
Hey, let's go check it out.
So I have fat-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, low-sugar meringues.
Oh,
Every
yum.
fun flavor you can think of, because the stores normally have vanilla and chocolate.
Right.
I've even got sweet potato casserole.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that sounds like
Yes! Homemade bubble gum, because bubble gum normally tastes like amoxicillin. So we found out, we did a little digging, found the real recipe for bubble gum.
I know, orange cream. Is it like a creamsicle?
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
What's your favorite flavor?
On the table right now, it's going to be either the blackberry pandan. Pandan is an East Asian vanilla, and I accidentally mixed it with a little bit of blackberry, and it turned out great.
Mistake that was gold, huh?
Exactly.
So what's your most popular item?
Oh.
Pastry-wise or donut-wise?
Yes.
Both. Let's start with donut.
You know what? Donut-wise, I think that's going to be our Cinnarroll donut. It is a donut covered in a glaze of cinnamon and sugar to give it that little bit of crunch.
Oh, yeah.
And then it has our own brown butter, cream cheese, icing drizzled up.
Oh yeah, we'll take one of those.
We'll do one Cinnarroll.
And I've got to do one of these cake chocolate donuts.
Absolutely.
Got to do one of those.
Those are new today, so I...
Oh, are they really?
Tried it,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. I need a loaf of sourdough, please.
Oh, right. Well, hi. We have 3 different...
You know, last week I got the artisan. This is more your sandwich, is that?
Sandwich, yes, ma'am. It's going to be softer. You can actually, because there's a bag, you can touch it. You can go ahead and
Yeah.
it's softer. It's much better for things like toast.
Let me try that. Last week I had the artisan, so let's do that.
I recommend doing French toast with that. Put a little bit of vanilla in your batter.
Oh, girl, you know me. That's
Sandwich.
one of my favorites.
And then you were asking about most popular.
Oh, yeah.
I've got that one for you. We have a peaches and cream croissant today, and we pipe in fresh cream.
Oh.
Yeah, let's take one of those.
That's one you eat right now.
Sounds like breakfast.
Bye, y'all.
Thank you. Yum.
What do you give it?
That was a 10. That was good.
I might not even get a bite. So if you're moving to Georgia, or if you're not from the Southeast, one of the traditions in the Southeast is hot boiled peanuts. You go, especially up in the North Georgia mountains, you'll see them all along the roadside. But here we got some right here at the farmers market. Hot boiled peanuts.
Yes, sir.
So tell us about your company.
So we are Big Daddy's Peanuts. We have been doing peanuts for about 15 years. And we are, this is it. We do lots of farmers markets. We're out probably 7 days out of the week.
Oh,
selling
wow.
peanuts.
You go all over, or?
We typically stay on the south side,
Okay.
Peachtree City, Fayetteville, Griffin. We're in Griffin twice up for the month. We do the Sonoya Dirt Track when they're racing.
Oh, yeah.
We have
Nice.
a race there tonight. So we got them today. We do Peachtree Peddlers, which is at the flea market in McDonough. And then we do a market in Avondale Estates on Sunday.
Oh, cool.
So
Well,
We would
I
love
bet
a
I don't
bag.
have to drive the North Georgia mountains to get
That's
peanuts.
growing up, that's what we always did. We got peanuts in North Georgia mountains or in Florida.
Yeah, that's
Wherever
all we
got-
think
got
of,
peanuts.
yeah. We'd love a bag, please.
I've got regular. I got our jalapeno hots, which is a take on our Cajun cheese nutted lemon pepper and pickle.
I'm gonna go traditional.
Okay. Yep. And they are $7. We can do cash or card.
I do this.
7. All right, you ready?
What's your most popular product?
They were talking about the garlic, the garlic-licious.
So it's Russell's Handcrafted. It all started because of his search for a perfect sauce for his meat
Oh, okay.
and barbecue, whatever. So he created the original Scotch bonnet.
Okay.
And then because I like flavor, a little more flavor, I like fruity, he made me the blackberry smoke.
Okay.
And of course, we're in Georgia, so you're gonna have to have a peach. So we did peach, and then some people like it extra hot.
We were blessed
we
with
did
our
the-
peach was finalist for the Flavor of Georgia this year.
Oh, was it?
It's Georgia in a bottle.
And then he wanted to do a traditional barbecue sauce, so that's the Old Carolina. And then there's people that like to have a steak sauce or a brisket sauce, and that comes with the dance. Our best-selling sauce is gonna be our blackberry and or our peach smoke.
Okay.
And then our best pickle selling is gonna be the garlic horsey. But we have garlic horsey all the way down to traditional dill,
We
sweet.
do pickled pineapple.
We do pickled fruit.
I do, amber.
Let's try the garlic horsey,
Garlic horsey?
and I'm gonna let you choose the sauce.
I'm gonna have to go with the man's original. What's your favorite way to use it? Are you a brisket guy, or are you a
You know,
a
brisket
rib
is so
guy, or what?
expensive to make, right? To mess up. So, and that's what a lot of my stuff is here for. My stuff is for the people that don't have a smoker in their backyard. You know, they love it.
Oh, that is good.
So my stuff has enough smoke in it to carry, right? Ribs, everything's really good. Ribs, pulled pork, except it's also good on chicken. It's good on fish. The peach is great. Salmon glaze. It's also great on grilled shrimp.
Oh, okay.
This is great on grilled chicken.
That one's my favorite.
Blackberry smoke. She'll cut it up on a chicken
The
breast.
blackberry's
Throw it
your
in the
favorite?
salad.
Blackberry is
Cheese
my
and
favorite.
salad.
That is my go-to.
Now, can you put that like over cream cheese or anything like that, or is that strictly for meat?
Listen, you don't have
Whatever
to
you
drink
put it on.
red wine with meat anymore.
That
Whatever
is true.
tastes good to you will taste good, right? So that's where everything, like I've got now for spicy, if you wanted that, I've got my strawberry pepper fire. And my
Oh,
cherry
yeah.
pepper fire,
Okay,
and I've
for
got
over that.
jalapeno pepper jam, and all of those are great on cream cheese. but
Yep.
They're like compotes, so you heat them up. They're also great on grilled pork tenderloin.
Oh, okay.
So most of my jellies kind of.
I'm just thinking that's such a quick appetizer, you know, somebody's coming over last minute.
No doubt.
Okay, so I'll take a mayhaw, but I do want to try it.
You want to try sauce first?
I'm going to trust you on the sauce.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm gonna let her do all the tasting today.
Mayhaw jelly,
gonna make me
wonderful
guinea
on a
pig
cat
today.
head biscuit. Just
Oh, that is good.
big buttered biscuit. Oh, yeah. It's like a cherry met a crab apple in the head jelly. You know?
That is really good.
All right, I gotta say that's wrong. A little bit.
All right.
Oh, I just threw away my
No,
spoon.
you're fine.
Up, new spoon.
When you see that,
Yeah, you gotta keep it sanitary. Thank you.
you're welcome. Again, there's 3 ingredients in it. Okay.
That is really good, isn't it?
I'm sorry, I'm still a little kid. You put that with peanut butter? Oh my gosh.
I've had that in my refrigerator my whole life, and they just don't know what it is up here. I spent every summer of my life in Albany, South Georgia.
People love me. People love me. That's a
That's what he does.
Yeah.
He'll just sniff around and stuff.
yes. Yeah, I'm gonna get home and Gus is gonna be sniffing. Yeah.
Strawberries, cranberries.
So tell us about your flowers. Or do you buy them? Do you grow them
we don't
yourself?
buy any of these flowers. We grow every one of these on our farm over in Sharpsburg.
Oh, awesome.
What's your most popular product?
My soaps.
Yeah.
My soaps.
Is there any particular fragrance?
Well, it's a mix and match. Some people love just the pure essential oils, and some people want to smell like strawberries. So I gotta have it all for everybody.
Oh, this is pretty. Annie loves.
Oh, right.
I like these for Annie. She loves them.
If you do this with your wife and your wife's anything like mine, make sure you've been in the gym because you're gonna get a workout in. So Amy called that one. We spent much more than we should have. We hope you got an idea of what it's like to live here in Peachtree City.
It's a lot more than the golf cart lifestyle. Real sense of community, especially if you come out on Saturday mornings to the farmers market.
If you're ever in the area, you've got to stop by.